So we have to solve this question by graphical method. You can see all the equations that are already formed. The first equation is 2x1 plus x2 less than equal to 1000, then x1 less than equal to 400, then x2 less than equal to 800, then x1 plus x2 less than equal to 800, and x1 is greater than equal to 0 and x2 is greater than equal to 0 are the non-negativity restriction. So if we can see clearly, there are total 4 equations. So if there are 4 equations, we already know for 4 equations, there will be how many slack variables? 4 slack variables. Okay. One more thing that we need to be very clear is, since all the equations are having less than equal to, so we will have slack variable in addition, which will be plus s1 plus s2 plus s3 and plus s4. And by definition, all the variables must be greater than equal to 0. All the slack variables must be greater than equal to 0. So we will write the first equation, 2x1 plus x2, we will write it in terms of slack variable, plus s1 is equal to 1000. Okay. The second equation we will write it as x1, since we have already used s1, so x1 plus s1 is equal to 400. The third equation will be x2 plus, okay, x1 plus s2 we will write, okay, is equal to 400. Then x2 plus s3 is equal to 800. Is there any more equation? Yeah, there is one more equation, which is x1 plus x2 plus s4 is equal to 800. And there are 2 non-negativity restriction which will be as it is, which is x1, x2 is greater than 0, x1 is greater than 0. This will already be there. x1 is greater than 0, x2 is greater than 0. Some more non-negativity restriction will add, like s1, s2, s3, s4, all variables are greater than equal to 0. Okay. So we have written this thing. Now what we will do is, we will formulate this in the linear programming problem. So we already know that this, since all the equations are of less than equal to time, because we can solve it by simplex method. So how do we solve it by simplex method? How do we solve it by simplex method? We will write all the variables, x1, x2, s1, s2, s3, s4. Okay. Now, what is the value of x1? From the first equation, what is the value? It is having the constant 2, then x2 is having 1, then 1, then all other variables are 0. You can see it from the equation. As per the second equation, x1 is equal to 1, x2 is not there in that equation, s1 is not there, s2 is there, 1, this is 0, this is 0. Then we will go to the third equation. What is the third equation? Third equation is having 0, since there is no x1, then x2 is 1, then 0, 0, then s3 is 1, then again there will be a 0. From the fourth equation, what we are getting is x1 is 1, x2 is 1, then this is 0, this is 0, this is 0, then finally we have s4 is equal to 1. So what we can see from all this equation is s1, s2, s3, s4 are forming an identity matrix of 4 by 4. So the variables that we will write is, the variable that we will write here is s1, then s2, then s3, and then we will write s4. What are the values of s1, s2, s3 and s4 in z? So for that we have to write z once again. What was my z? Z was, I just need to see what is the z. 40x1 plus 30x2. I'll write z here. 40x1 is already there, plus 30x2. Since slack will not add any value to the z, so it will be 0s1 plus 0s2 plus 0s3 plus 0s4. So we can write Cj. What is the value of Cj? We write Cj here. What are Cj? Cj are the coefficients of z. Okay. 40, 30, 0, 0, 0, 0. And whatever is the coefficient of z, we start with our basis solution with that only. Those who are forming identity matrix. So since S1 to S4 are forming identity matrix, we will write their coefficients, Z coefficients here. Now how to find Zj minus Cj, I have already explained. You multiply 0, okay, into 2, then 0 into 1, then 0 into 0, then 0 into 1. Okay, and minus it with Cj. This is called Zj, 0 into 2 plus 0 into 1 plus 0 into 0 plus 0 into 1. Okay, so this will be 0. So 0 minus 40 will be minus 40. Again 0 minus 30 will be minus 30. Again 0 minus 0 will be 0. 0 minus 0 will be 0. 0 minus 0 will be 0. And 0 minus 0 will be 0. We can even write RHS. What is the RHS for our equation? First equation का RHS क्या था? We can see here what was our RHS. First equation was having RHS equal to 1000. We have to write as per the sequence only. We can't write it by our own. Okay, so first is having 1000, second is having 400, third one is having 800, and the last one is having, again it is having 800. So we have written the RHS. Now again we can find this value also. This will be 0 into 1000 plus 0 into 400 plus 0 into 800 plus 0 into 0, and again RHS is not having any constant. So we will consider, since Z is only having one side, the other side of Z is nothing. If we remove Z and if we try to see this equation, just see this equation. So this equation is not having any coefficient equal to, since it is having Z but we don't consider Z. So it is having nothing but equal to 0. Its RHS is equal to 0 for us. So we will write here 0. So 0 minus 0 will be 0. So this is our first solution. Okay, what do we get from this solution? We get some values. So what we will do is, we will write here theta. Okay, theta is also called as Bi by Ai. You don't have to think about Bi by Ai. We will consider it in the later stages of the lecture. So what we will do, we will try to find the most negative of the Zj minus Cj. The most negative of Zj minus Cj, as you can see, is minus 40. So what we have to do, we have to divide RHS by that column, which is called as pivot column. So we will do 1000 by 2 will be equal to 500. Then 400 by 1 is equal to 400. I already told you we cannot divide anything by 0 or negative. So this will not exist. 800 by 0. Then 800 by 1 is equal to 800. Okay, so we have found some value which is the least positive. Least positive is 400. So S2. S2 will replace, and what will enter is X1. So we will write S1. Then we will write X1, sorry, X2. Okay, then S3 will be as it is. Then S4 will be as it is. What is the value of S1 in Z? 0. X2 is how much? We can see X2. X2 is how much? 30. So what we will write here is 30. Then we will write again 0. Then we will write again 0. Okay. Now, after writing this, we know that this variables, the variables in the basis variable in the iteration should form identity matrix. So I'll just try to change my color since it is not that much visible. Black is, someone is asking some question in the chat. X1 आएगा ना, X1 कैसे enter होगा? हाँ, so sorry. This will be X1. So sorry. This will be X1. So sorry. Since X1 is the first column, na, X1 will enter. So what we need to write is, we need to write the equation. So we will write S1 as 1, 0, 0, 0. Then we will write X1 as 0, 1, 0, 0. S3 as 0, 0, 1, 0. And S4 as 0, 0, 0, 1. Is someone writing in the chat box? 40 value. Who is asking 40 value? Okay. X1 will be 40. Okay, so sorry. X1 is equal to 40. Okay, I've changed that. Thank you. So what we need to do, we need to find the सबसे पहले, after writing this, we also know what will be the value of Zj minus Cj for this. This will be 0. This will be 0. This will be 0. And this will be 0. Now we need to see which one is the pivot key element. So 40, if we look at the combination, this combination 40, okay, this column and this row, we can see this row. So the common element will be, the common element will be 1. So what we have to do, we have to divide this row. We have to divide this row by 1. So 1 by 1 is already 1. We have written here. 0 by 1 will be 0. Okay, 0 by 0, 0 by 1 is again 0 already written. 1 by 1 will be 1. 0 by 0, 0 by 1 will be 0. 0 by 1 will be 0. 400 by 1 will be how much? 400. So we have written all this value. Now we need to find the other values. We need to find this value. To find this value, we will look at the upper value. upper table. 1 into 1 minus 2 into 0. 1 into 1 is 1, minus 2 into 0 is 0. So 1 minus 0 is 1. 1 divided by 1 will be 1, right? To find this value, if we need to find this value, where we will go? Yeah, 1 into 1 minus 0 divided by 1, again it will be 1. Again we will look at the end, the third value to find this value. 1 into 1 minus 1 into 0 divided by 1, so this will again be equal to 1. If we need to find this value, how we will find? Minus 30, you can see 1 into minus 30, minus 40, minus of plus हो जाएगा, plus 40 into 0 will be as it is 0, so minus 30 divided by 1 will be minus 30. Okay, so we have got some value. Now we need to find which value? We need to find which value? We need to find this value. So to find this value, we will look at the upper table. 1 into 0 minus 2 into 1 divided by 1. Since we will divide it by key element and the key element is 1. So minus 2 we will get here. Okay, now if we need to find this value, what will be the value? 1 into 0 will be 0. 0 into 1 will be 0 divided by 1. So this will be 0. Again 1 into 0 minus 1 into 1 divided by 1 will be minus 1. We need to find this. So for finding this, 1 into 0 minus of minus plus हो जाएगा, plus 40 into 1 is 40. 40 divided by 1 is 40. Okay. Now we need to find this value. दरवाजा बंद कर दो बाद में. 1 second. So this will be how much? 1000 into 1, okay, minus 400 into 2. So what will remain is 200 divided by 2 will be, sorry, divided by 1 will be 200 only. If we need to find this will be 1 into 800 minus 0 into 400. So 800 by 1 will be again 800. Okay. Now again the last value what we will be getting here is 800 minus 400. Okay. So 400 divided by 1 will be 400. If we need to find this value will be how much? 1 into 0. Okay. Minus of 40 into 400, or minus of minus will become plus. So 40 into 400 plus के साथ will become 16,000. Okay, so we have got some values. Now we need to see if all Zj minus Cj are positive or not. No, the one Zj minus Cj which is the most negative and the only negative is minus 30. So if all the values of Zj minus Cj becomes positive, we can stop the iteration. If it is not become positive, we have to continue with the iteration. So what we will do here is, okay, so what we have to do, we have to divide all the values of this column, okay, by this value. We have to divide RHS by the value of that column. So 200 by 1 will be 200, 400 by 0 not divisible, 800 by 1 is 800, 400 by 1 is 400. Which is the least positive? We can see the least positive is 200. So S1 will leave and X2 will enter. Okay. S1 will leave and X2 will enter. So what we will write now is, okay, S1 will leave and X2 will enter, na? So S1 leaves, X2 enters, X1 will be as it is, S3 will be as it is, S4 will be as it is. Okay. Now X2 का value कितना है? X2 is 30 in Z, X1 is 40, this is 0, this is 0. We have to write Zj minus Cj, right? Now X2 कौन से नंबर पे है? पहले नंबर पे. तो X2 की जगह क्या आएगा? 1 0 0 0. X1 की जगह 0 1 0 0. S3 की जगह 0 0 1 0. Okay. S4 की जगह 0 0 0 1. Okay. Zj minus Cj क्या रहेंगे इनके? 0 0 0. You can even find it by another method that I have already explained. You will get the same value. Zj minus Cj करके देखेंगे, even though if you do it by Zj minus Cj, you will get the same value. So now what do we need to find? We need to find these values. Before finding that, we need to identify which is our key element. So I think since X1 was replaced, तो पहला row था और second column था, तो we can find this will be our key element. So the key element is 1. So what do we need to do? We need to make it 1 only. So since it is already 1, we have to divide all the value by 1. So 0 by 1, you can see it is already 0. Then 1 by 1 is 1. Then again 1 by 1 will be 1. Minus 2 by 1 is minus 2. 0 by 1 is 0. 0 by 1 is 0. 200 by 1 will be 200. Now we need to find all these values. We will find first this value. What will be this? 1 into 0 minus 0 into 1. This will be 0 only, right? Then 1 into 0 minus 1 into 1. Minus 1 divided by 1 will be minus 1. always remember we have to divide it by key element. You are lucky here that you are getting the key element as 1. Okay, now we need to find this. 1 into 0, again minus 1 into 1 is minus 1, divided by 1 is minus 1. If we need to find this, can we find? Yeah, 0, 1 into 0 is 0, minus of minus plus, 30 into 1 divided by 1, this will be plus 30. Okay, now we need to find this. 1 into 1 minus 2 into 0, so 1 divided by 1 is 1. 1 into 0 minus of minus plus, 2 into 1 will be 2, 2 divided by 1 will be 2. Again minus 1, minus 1, you can see minus 1 into 1 will be minus 1, minus of minus plus 2 into 1 आ जाएगा. So minus 1 plus 2 is 1, so 1 divided by 1 will be again 1. Okay, so now we need to find this value. What will be this value? 40, you can see 1 into 40 minus minus minus. So 40 minus 2 into 30, matlab 40 minus 60 is minus 20, divided by 1 is minus 20. So you can again see there is a non-negative element. So we have to proceed, but before proceeding we need to find this values also. So this value will be 400 minus 0 divided by 1. So this will be 400 only. To find this, it will be 800 minus 200, 600, correct? 600 by 1. Then 400 minus 200, it will be how much? 400 minus 200 is 200. 200 by 1 is 200 only. Is there anyone in the chat? No. Okay. We need to find this also. We can again find this value. This will be 16,000. I hope you are able to see 16,000 minus of minus 30 will be plus 30. So 16,000 plus 30 into 200 means 6,000. So 16,000 plus 6,000 will be 22,000. You have to again divide it by the key element. So 22,000 by 1 will be 22,000, right? Okay. Now we need to look at the key pivot column. So pivot column is having minus 2. So 200 by minus 2 not divisible. 400 by 1 will be 400, right? 600 by 2 will be 300 and 200 by 1 will be 200. So which is the least positive? 200 is the least positive. Okay. So since 200 is the least positive, what we can do now is, give me a second. Yeah. Which one is that column? The fourth, S4, and this one is, one second. Yeah. X1, X2, S1, S2. So S4 will be replaced by which value? S4 will be replaced by X2. So S2. So X2 will be as it is, X1 will be as it is, S3 will be as it is, S4 will be replaced by S2. So this is again 0, this is 0, this is 40 and this is 30. We don't even have to write this value since we are not making use of this value. But if you want to write, you can write it. And you should always write it because examiner doesn't know the shortcut method. Examiners, I actually believe that many of the examiners, almost all the examiners don't know this method and they are not even comfortable. Once we are used to some method, they get used to and they get comfortable with that method only. So they might not know. So before writing anything, you just follow the norms, and the norm is you have to write all these values. Okay, I think there is some question. Just let me take this question. Sir, why not S1? How can I write S1? S2 is the pivot column. So how can I write S1? How can I write S1? S2 is the pivot column and it is replacing S4. So I have to write S2 in place of S4. Okay. Now, the next thing is, again, X2 is 1, 0, 0, 0. I'll do one thing. This is for my Zj minus Cj. Okay, so I have written 1, 0, 0, 0. Then X1 will be 0, 1, 0, 0. S3 is where? S3 is this one, 0, 0, 1, 0. And S2 is S2 is this one, 0, 0, 0, 1. And I already know all the values. This is 0, this is 0, this is 0, and this is 0, right? Okay. So now we need to find the key element. The key element will be common of key row, pivot column and pivot row. So this one is again 1. So since this is 1, we have to divide the whole row by 1. 0 by 1 will be 0. 0 by 1 will be 0. Minus 1 by 1 will be minus 1. Okay, so this is coming out to be minus 1. This is already 1. 0 by 1 is 0. Then 1 by 1 will be 1. Then 200 by 1 will be 200. Okay, now we need to find this value. So this will be 1 minus of minus of minus. So 1 minus 2 will be minus 1 divided by 1 will be minus 1. Okay, now 0 minus of minus plus it will become plus 1 divided by 1 will be 1. Again minus 1 plus 2. Okay, so it is coming out to be 1. 1 divided by 1 is 1, right? So we have got all this value. So how we need to find this value? This will be 30 minus of minus of minus. So 30 minus 20. Okay, so this is coming out to be 10 divided by 1 is 10. You can even find this by this method. Dekho, 30 into minus 1 is minus 30, correct? Plus 40 into 1 is how much? Plus 40. So 30 minus 40 is how much? 30 minus 40 will be 10. 10 plus 0 into 1 plus 0 into minus 1. So you are getting 10. 10 minus Cj. Can you find the Cj? What was the Cj for S1? Cj for S1 was 0. So 10 minus 0, you will eventually get what? 10 minus 0, you will eventually get the value as 10 only. You don't have to worry. You can do it by either method, but you can only do it for Zj minus Cj, correct? You can only do it to find Zj minus Cj. You can't do it to find x1, x2, s1 and all the basis variables value. You can't find it by Zj minus Cj. I think there is someone in the chat. Just give me a second. 30x2 वाली लाइन में देख फोर्थ कॉलम में. So nice. Who is this person? Kadam. Okay. He is trying to respond to one of the query of the student. Very nice. So we have to find this. So 1 into 0 minus of minus again 2 हो जाएगा. 2 into 1 2. 2 divided by 1 will be 2. Okay, now we need to find this. 1 into 0 minus 1 divided by 1. Again 1 into 0 0. 2 into 1 minus के साथ minus 2 divided by 1 will be minus 2. Okay, so now we need to find this value. This will be 1 into 0 minus of minus 20 will be plus 20. 20 into 1 will be 20. 20 divided by 1 will be 20. You can even find it from this end. Dekho, 30 into 2 will be how much? 60. 60 now. And 40 into minus 1 will be how much? Minus 40. So 30, 60 minus 40 is 20. All this value will contribute 0 only, since it is with S3 and S2 which are already 0. So 20 minus of 0, because S4 is again having Cj as 0. So you can see 20 minus 0 will again be 20. So we have got all the Zj minus Cj to be positive. We can see all Zj and minus Cj are coming out to be positive now, right? So since we have got all Zj minus Cj to be positive, we can stop the iteration. But before stopping the iteration, we need to find this value. So how can we find this? Again, 200 into 1, 200 minus of minus plus हो जाएगा. 200 into 2, 400. ठीक है, 200 plus 400, 600. 600 by 1 will be 600. Again, 400 minus 200, right? 200 by 1 will be 200. Okay. Next, 600 minus 400. I hope everyone is able to see. 600 into 1, 600 minus 200 into 2, 400. 600 minus 400 is 200. 200 by 1 is 200. So we can find all these values. Now we need to find this value. Okay, this will be 22,000 plus minus of minus 20 will be plus 20. So plus 20 into 200 is 4,000. So 22,000 plus 4,000 will be 26,000. Okay, so we have got all this value. Now since we have got the solution, now we need to look at all the solution. I'll just explain you the solution once again. Now just look at this solution. Look at the first iteration. If you just look at the first iteration, I'll take some another color. If we just look at the first iteration, there is no x1 and x2. So in first iteration, x1 is equal to 0, x2 is equal to 0, since all the variables are basis variable, and z is also equal to 0. This is our z, right? This is our z. Since x1 and x2 are not there in the solution, x1 and x2 will be equal to 0. This was one of our solution in which it was there in the graphical method. Now we can see here, x1 is equal to how much? We can see this value. X1 is equal to how much? 400. So x1 is there in the solution. X1 is 400. X2 is not there. So it is equal to 0. And Z is equal to how much? Z we can see here. Z is equal to how much? 16,000. I hope you can find this solution. You can even find this solution in the graphical method. See, one of the solution in the graphical method was 0, 0, 0. One solution was 400, 0, right? Which was equal to 16,000. So you have got another solution from the graphical method. Now, if you look at the third iteration, what is the third iteration like? What is the third iteration? Yeah, we are having x2. X2 is equal to 200. X1 is equal to 400. So we will write x1 is equal to 400. Okay, and x2 is equal to how much? 200. Okay, and what we are getting from here, z is equal to how much? 22,000. So we have got z is equal to 22,000, right? We can see this solution is also existing, 400 comma 200 comma 22,000, right? Last solution we can see which one was the final. How can we find it? Just look at this. X2 was equal to how much? 600. X1 was 200. So we have got x1 is equal to 200. We need not find theta since we have already evaluated. When do we find theta? We only find theta to get the iteration completed for the next iteration. Since we have already got the iteration, we need not worry about theta. X1 is 200, x2 is 600. Okay, and z is how much? 26,000. Okay, z is how much? 26,000. Now we can even find this solution here. What was the solution? This. Which solution is skipped? This solution is skipped, and we don't need to worry about the solution which is skipped. We only need to find the optimized value. किसी का लेक्चर लैग हो रहा है क्या? Just look for your network connection, beta. Hifzur Rahman. So we have got all the values. Okay. One more thing I would like to comment on this. Just look at the Z value. देखो Z पहले क्या था? Z was 0, then 16,000, then 22,000, then 26,000. Okay. So I'll just comment on this thing. देखो Z start किससे हुआ था? 0, then it went to 16,000, then it went to 22,000, and then it went to 28,000. This is very important. You can see there is a increase. Is there an increase? Yeah, it is in ascending order. This is increasing. Okay. So whenever you use simplex method, you will always get Z in increasing order. This is one of the advantage. How can it be an advantage? You always know that this will give me one solution, this will give me another solution, this will give me third solution. Like suppose if you have got Z, suppose you have got Z as 0, then you have got Z as 22,000, and then you get 16,000. This will never be possible. This will never decrease. Z will never decrease in simplex. Z will always increase. Okay, what I'm trying to explain is Z will always increase. When it will increase? When there is a maximization problem. When it is maximization problem, Z will always increase. If it would have been minimization problem, Z will decrease. Z will decrease. Okay. So we can be very sure about many things. One more thing, it does not evaluate all the corner points. Okay. One more advantage is can be used for more than 2 variables. And graphical can only be used for 2 variables. So it can be used to solve real life problem where there are more than 2 variables existing. Okay. Okay. So we have completed with this solution. Now we will go to the next solution. Now I'll just take another question. We have less time here. This is the problem. If I start, give me a second.